लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है यहाँ पर, चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव मीन्स MCQ। फर्स्ट, वेयर डिड गौतम बुद्ध फर्स्ट प्रीच? तो सारनाथ। सेकंड, वेयर डिड गौतम बुद्ध अटेन निर्वाण? सी, कुशीनारा। थर्ड, व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ महावीर स्वामी's मदर? ए, त्रिशला देवी। फोर्थ, वेयर वॉज महावीर स्वामी बॉर्न? तो कुंदग्राम, बी। फिफ्थ, इन विच लैंग्वेज डिड महावीर स्वामी प्रीच टू द पीपल? तो प्राकृत एंड अर्धमागधी। ओके, नेक्स्ट 6, वेयर वॉज कपिल वस्तु स्टेट लोकेटेड? तो सी, इन द हिमालय एरिया। 7, हु वॉज द हेड ऑफ कपिल वस्तु रिपब्लिक स्टेट? डी, शुद्धोधन। 8, what was the childhood name of Gautam Buddha? B, Siddharth. 9, what was the name of the father of Siddharth? D, Suddhodhan. 10, what was the name of the wife of Gautam Buddha? A, Yashodhara. 11, what was the name of Siddharth's foster mother? D, Gautami Mahaprajapati. 13 number, what was the name of Siddharth's mentor, guru? तो B, Alara Kalam. 13, on which day did Gautam Buddha attain knowledge? तो C, on the day of Vaishakhi Purnima. 14, what is the first sermon of Buddha called? तो A, आंसर आएगा A, धर्मचक्र प्रवर्तन। 15, how many Arya truths are there according to Gautam Buddha? तो B, 4. 16, to what did Buddha give importance by denying God and the soul? तो आंसर आएगा C, कर्मइज्म। 17, who was the 23rd तीर्थंकर of Jainism? तो A, पार्श्वनाथ। 18 number, who was the 24th and last तीर्थंकर of Jainism? C, महावीर स्वामी। 19, what was the childhood name of महावीर स्वामी? तो C, वर्धमान। 20, in which republic state was Mahavir Swami born? D, Kundagram. 21, how many vows, vrat, did Mahavir Swami give? C, 5. 22, what was the name of Vardhaman's wife? A, Yashoda. 23, what was the name of Vardhaman's daughter? A, Priyadarshini. 24, on the bank of which river did Mahavir Swami do harsh penance for 12 years to attain the highest knowledge? तो राजूपालिका, D. 25 number, by which doctrine is the sermon given by Mahavir Swami known? B, the doctrine of Trinetram, the doctor of Triratnam. 26, what was Mahavir Swami known as because he had conquered his mind and sense? C, jinn. 27, what was the name of the elder brother of Mahavir Swami? B, Nandivardhan. 28 number, which are the important text scriptures to know Jainism? तो B, Agam text. Okay, question number 2, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First blanks is, there was a kingdom called Kapilvastu in the foothill of Himalaya while going towards Nepal. Second number, the Kshatriyas of Kapilvastu were called Shakyas. Third number, Gautam Buddha was born in the house of Suddhodhan and Mayadevi in 566 BC. Fourth number, the name of the son of Gautam Buddha was Rahul. Fifth number, sitting under the people tree at Bodhi Gaya, Gautam Buddha started sadhana. Sixth number, Gautam Buddha preached to 5 Brahmin friends at Sarnath for the first time. 7 number, Buddha denied God and the soul and gave importance to karmaism. 8 number, the name of Gautam Buddha's mother was Mayadevi. 9 number, the obtain a lot of information about Buddhism from Tripitaka. 10 number, there are total 24 Tirthankar in Jainism. 11 number, Parshvanath left home and became a hermit at the age of 30. 12 number, the name of Gautam Buddha's father was Suddhodhan. 13 number, with the feat of conquering mind and sense, Vardhaman came to be known as Mahavir. 14 number, Mahavir Swami believed that violence is one of the biggest evils of human society. 15. Mahavir Swami told Jain monks and nuns to observe celibacy. Celibacy. 16 number. Mahavir Swami got Nirvana in Pavapuri at the age of 72 years. Question number 3. True or false? First, both Buddhism and Jainism urge people to take up the path of peace and non-violence, virtue. So this is the right statement. Second, Buddha gave his first sermon in Bodhi Gaya. Wrong statement. Third, Buddha attained enlightenment in Sarnath. So wrong statement. Fourth, the Kshatriyas of Kapilvastu were from Lichvi tribes. So wrong statement. Fifth, Buddha means conscious or wise. So right statement. 6 number. After acquiring knowledge, Vardhaman was called Gautam Buddha. So wrong statement. 7 number. Gautam Buddha died at the age of 80 years in Kushinara. So right statement. 8 number. Mahavir Swami was the first Tirthankar of Jainism. So wrong statement. 9 number. Mahavir Swami asked people to obey non-violence strictly. Right statement. 10 number. Mahavir Swami is considered a great reformer of Buddhism. So wrong statement. 11 number. Mahavir Swami believed that theft was the biggest evil. So right statement. 12 number. Vardhaman's father Siddharth was the king of Kapilvastu. So wrong statement. 13 number. There are 20 Tirthankars in Jainism. So wrong statement. 14 number. The childhood name of Mahavir Swami was Vardhaman. So right statement. 15 number. Mahavir Swami died, got Nirvana at Shravan Belgoda. So wrong statement. Question number 4. Match the pairs correctly. Section A, Section B. Section A, the city of Gautam Buddha. The answer is 4th number, Kapilvastu. Second, the place where Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment. The answer is 1 number, Bodhi Gaya. Third, the place where Gautam Buddha got salvation, Nirvana. The answer is 2nd number, Kushinara. Fourth, the place where Gautam Buddha preached his first sermon. The answer is 5, Sarnath. The birthplace of Mahavir Swami. The answer is 3rd number, Kundagram. Second, the text scriptures of Jainism. The answer is 1st, Agam text scriptures. Third, the place where Mahavir Swami got salvation, Nirvana. The answer is 4th number, Pavapuri. 4th number, the sermon of Mahavir Swami. The answer is 5th number, the doctrine of Trinatra. Question number 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. First question is, which scriptures have been included in Buddhist text Tripitaka? So the 3 scriptures named Sukta Pitak, Vinay Pitak and Abhidhamma Pitak have been included in the Buddhist text Tripitaka. Second, when and whose place was Gautam Buddha born? So Gautam Buddha was born in 566 BC at the place of Suddhodhan, the head of Kapilvastu, and his wife Mayadevi. Third number, why was Siddharth married at a young age? So Siddharth used to discuss knowledge and meditation. So his father was worried that Siddharth would become a monk. Due to this concern, Siddharth was married at a young age. Fourth number, why did Siddharth decide to become a hermit? So Siddharth decided to become a hermit for attaining enlightenment and in search of truth. Fifth number, where did Siddharth go after? Fourth number, where did Siddharth go after renunciation? So Siddharth went to places like Rajgiri and Puruvela after renunciation. Sixth number, where did and when did Gautam Buddha attain enlightenment? Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment at Bodhi Gaya under a peepal tree on the day of Vaishakhi Purnima. 7 number, what does Buddha mean? Buddha means conscious or wise. 8 number, where did Buddha go first after attaining enlightenment? Buddha went first to Sarnath after attaining enlightenment. 9 number, what are the 4 Aryan truths explained by Gautam Buddha known as? So the 4 Aryan truths explained by Gautam Buddha are known as the Buddhist principles of Samyak Darshan. 10 number, Into how many varnas was Hinduism divided in the time of Gautam Buddha? Hinduism was divided into the four varnas like Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra in the time of the Gautam Buddha. 11 number. Where was Mahavir Swami born? Mahavir Swami was born in Ganatra Kshatriya dynasty of Kundagram, Republic State of Vaji Union. 12 number. Write the name of the parent of Mahavir Swami. So the name of Mahavir Swami's mother of was Trishla Devi and his father's name was Siddharth. 13 number. What was the childhood name of Mahavir Swami? Mahavir Swami's childhood name was Vardhaman. 14 number. What was childhood name of Gautam Buddha? Gautam Buddha's childhood name was Siddharth. 15 number. What were the names of Vardhaman's wife and daughter? So the name of Vardhaman's wife was Yashoda and his daughter's name was Priyadarshini. 16 number. Why was Vardhaman called Jinn? The Vardhaman had conquered his mind and senses, so he was called Jinn. 17 number. Which 5 vows, vrats, did Mahavir Swami give? So the 5 vows, vrats given by Mahavir Swami are: first, ahimsa, non-violence; second, satya, truth; third, asteya, not to steal; fourth, aparigraha, non-possessiveness; fifth, brahmacharya, so celibacy. 18 number. In which language did Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami preach? So Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami preached in Prakrit and Ardhamagdi, the language of common people. 19 number. What effect did the sermons of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami have on people? The people got new idea through the sermons of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami. People gave up rituals and animal violence in yagnas. A large number of people become his followers. Question number 6. Answer the following question briefly. First, which are the 4 Arya truths according to Gautam Buddha? The first, the world is full of mysteries. Second, the cause of suffering is greed or strong desire. Third, destruction of suffering is the renunciation of desire. Fourth number, desires are eliminated by adopting the octagonal path, Astang Marg. Second number, what are 5 Mahavrats of Jainism? So first, ahimsa, non-violence; second, satya, so truth; third, asteya, to not to steal; fourth, aparigraha, to non-possessiveness; fifth, brahmacharya, to celibacy, to control the senses. Third number, which evils were seen during Gautam Buddha's time? So animal violence was practiced for sacrificing in the yagna of the society. Second, many people were non-vegetarian. Third, Hinduism was divided into 4 varnas, namely Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Therefore, there was discrimination between high and low in society. 4 number, women did not get enough respect. 7 number, answer the following question. First question is, what were the similarity in preaching of Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Swami? So 1. Both Buddha and Mahavir believe that the world is full of fear and sorrows. They deny God and gave importance to karma. Second, they preached that we should be kind to all animals. Third, they said that every should be treated as an equal and there should be no discrimination of high and low in society. Fourth, they said that women should be given the equal respect and authority as men. Second number, what was the main preaching of Gautam Buddha? Instead of indulging in the welfare of the soul, one should live a virtuous life. Second, the greatest duty of all human beings is to treat all animals non-violently. Third, a human does not become great from being born into a high family but becomes great by his or her karma. Therefore, discrimination between high and low should not be seen in society. Fourth number, women should be given equal respect and authority as men in the society. Third number, what was the main teaching of Mahavir Swami? The first, the real duty of human being is not to do violence but to protect animals. Second, always follow the truth, for that abstain from anger. Third, never steal, do not take anybody's things without his or her permission. Fourth, do not store good possessions, ornaments, clothing, etc. beyond requirements. 5. Jain monks and nuns should be observe celibacy. Fourth number, how did Siddharth become Gautam Buddha from a prince? Siddharth went to Rajgriha and then Puruvela after he had left his home. Here he did penance with 5 Brahmins. He felt that giving up food and water and tormenting the body would not yield knowledge. So he decided to leave the Brahmins and do penance alone. Sitting under a peepal tree at Bodhi Gaya, he started sadhana for attaining truth and enlightenment. After many days of sadhana, he got knowledge on the day of Vaishakhi Purnima. After attaining knowledge, he became Buddha from Siddhartha.